stuck in my head, you know I can't forget it. I try to.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Selin. If you're new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell, so with that you'll be notified when I have a new video on my channel. With that being said, hey baby girls, hey boys, hey girls, hey glory. Anyway guys, today I'm coming up to you with another look, okay? And also I'm going to be reviewing this palette that I showed you the other day, which I leave a little bit quote on my description box. I told you guys I'm going to be coming up with my honest opinion, which I'm doing right now. I'm super loving this look, the way it turned out to, and especially the game of this tutorial, the game of this intro, this lava, is this Délanci palette. Is a French name. Sorry in case I didn't pronounce it well, you can read it for yourself. And yeah, this palette is everything, is beautiful, super beautiful. Let me show you inside how it looks like. It's the only critique I have about this palette, does it has a mirror, because this palette is super beautiful, super beautiful. And bear in mind guys, this palette has no fallout. The shade inside this palette, no fallout, not single one fallout. This palette is everything for a beginner, makeup artist, or you just love makeup junkie. You can always grab this palette right here, super affordable. Make your way out with this palette. When we talk about spring/summer, this palette is going to give you that look. And also when we talk about fall, this look can also give you that look, because this palette has a little bit of warm shade to it, very pigment. This palette right here, let me just tell you, this palette is super, it feels super expensive, but it wasn't expensive. If I can remember the price or the link, I'm going to be leaving it down below so you can check it out for yourself. Super recommendable for beginners, okay? I've used it twice. You hardly see any fallout. The palette is still super brand new. See, looks super brand new. Let me come closer so you can see the shade properly. This is how it looks like, guys. Wow, so beautiful. This is how it looks like. Wow, it's great, it's beautiful palette. And yeah, I'm loving this palette. It was very easy, friendly to work with, didn't having any struggle at all. So yeah, without any further ado, and one more thing I have to let you know, I also got a new liquid lipstick from Maybelline. This one is in super still matte ink. I have two other ones, something like this, but this one is a new one, and I'm loving this lipstick as well. I just love the bottle, or is it the bottle or the packaging? What do you call it? I don't know, whatever. I just love the body of the liquid lipstick, period. So yeah, and yeah, that's pretty much it. All the products I use are going to be listed down below as usual. You know how we do it. If you're interested, you want to see how I slay, how I beat this eye look and this lip popping like nobody concerned, you don't know what to do. Just stick around and enjoy, and as always say, don't forget to do what makes you happy, darlings. Baby girls, what you doing? Slay with mama, slay with me, okay? Anyway guys, enough of the talking. Don't forget to do what makes you happy. Your happiness matters a lot, okay? Number one, you only got one life, okay? And yeah, stay pretty and stay blessed. I'm going to see you all in my next video. Let me know what you think, okay? Take care of this. Ciao. Mwah. Welcome back. Today guys, let's just keep it low. I'm a little bit tired, but don't worry, okay? So I'm just going to jump into this. For my eyeshadow base, I'm going to be taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Tan Sand. Blending my concealer, I'm going to be taking this oval shape face shape brush 110. Setting powder, I'm just going to basically set it. Transition color, I'm going to be taking this beautiful blue right here. Since we are doing a halo eye look, I'm just going to kind of apply the shade right here and then I bring it to my inner corner. First press it before you start blending, okay? When you want the coverage to be super pigment, so you just apply and then you blend later. What shade is just doing her thing, you know, like I always do my thing. Yeah, I love the shade. I really love the shade. So let me blend out my inner corner. I'm going to go in with this Hello Berlin palette. This is also one of my good palette, and I'm going to dip my brush into this shade right here, the lowest part of my outer corner, which is right here, and blend immediately and fluff it out a little bit. As you can tell, we still have that navy dark blue popping. I really love this blue color. How many times am I going to say it? Anyways, I just had to express the way I feel about it, okay? Now to blend out the edges, I'm going to be taking this beautiful shade right here, this one. Guys, I didn't measure the brush I'm using. I'm using this BH Cosmetic shimmer brush. Highlight my bones to highlight my bones, I'm going to be taking this beautiful nude shade right here. I'm going to be taking my concealer brush to do that, just like so. Firstly, I'm not applying anything on this brush. I'm just going to kind of blend out the edges of the cut smooth, super well blended, and the same thing on my inner corner. Definition. Taking this navy dark blue, and I'm going to apply that exactly on my outer corner, and the same thing on my inner corner. Okay, I'm just kind of, you know, make the look more dramatic. No struggle, no hard feelings, honey. Don't get it twisted. No, don't do that. Just calm down, relax, think, and act. This one right here. Is it pigment? Way to my crease. So guys, to line my eye, I'm going to be taking this L'Oreal Black Lacquer liquid eyeliner, Plain Gel Eye Studio liner. I'm going to line my waterline with that first before I go in and line my upper line. Right here, I'm just going to apply that on my bottom eye. This is very beautiful, guys. Beg me to say, baby girl, stop. We have heard you. Beg me, please. I got it from Amazon. It's this kind of chunky glitter concealer brush. I'm just going to dab at the middle. Whoa, that was a little bit much, girl. Just like so, and dip my brush into the glitter. You see that? We are not even done. How that is glowing. Glitter come through. So guys, for mascara, I'm going to be taking this Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. Taking this beautiful shade right here. Normally it's not needed, but I just want my inner corner to pop a little, to bringing back the life that we lost there. So guys, to line my lips, I'm going to be taking this MAC lip liner. This one is in Plum. Maybelline Matte Ink, Super Stay Matte Ink, and this one is in Successful. it with this NYX butter gloss. This one is in number 04. Okay, I'm just going to top it with it. That's pretty much it for this look. I'll be right back. Just stay tuned. Give me 1 minute. I'll be right back to show you the finished packaging. Okay. Mwah.
Stuck in my head, you know I can't forget it. I try to move on, but you're the one that I dream about. I sit alone in my room, drawing up pictures of blue skies. We've been apart for so long, I'm always replaying all the pictures and memories stacked up in my head. I wish I could let you go, I wish I could just forget.